I go through a lot of brakes in this town. Oh my God. Brakes and clutches. Oh, I had all the foreign accents too. Oh. Go ahead. What the hell are they doing? Oh my God!
That is not how you parallel park.
No, not at all. Actually,
It's actually more of a perpendicular parking job you're trying out there.
Check that out.
I know, that's awesome. Converted old truck into a flower bed.
This is why I bought this, just for this very reason. You know, just pop it while I'm driving. Click, clickety doo dah, clickety a. Once I teach myself how to do forced time lapse work. The Lombard, aka the 101. This highway goes all the way from Canada to Mexico. Last I checked. Oh, clutch, dude. There's Wells Fargo right there.
Nice.
So, lunch, Wells Fargo, Bank of America.
Hey,
Get that
get
food
the
guy.
fudge out.
Yeah. Oh. Burping and farting and all over the damn place. I'm telling you, the beer hit me a lot.
And burping and farting.
I think I'm going to stick to whiskey for the rest of the trip. And or vodka. And or free beers.
Yeah, that Hefeweizen you were having yesterday was pretty coriander heavy. It's like all I could taste.
Pretty what?
Like heavy on the coriander.
Oh, yeah, it was.
It's like, I mean, I appreciate that a lot of Hefeweizens use coriander, but if you're using more than Blue Moon is using, then
Yeah.
you're doing it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Blue Moon is like the absolute maximum before it's like unpalatable.
It was a little too sweet for my liking.
Yeah.
Well, let's scam a parking spot. Pretty darn sure we're close. So. I literally waited till it turned red before she crossed.
You know, because that way.
I know she's gonna do that. I would have like zipped in there and had something happen. Yeah, definitely would have. Rock some Wells Fargo action. What if I could squeeze in there? I bet you I could.
I bet you can indeed.
Alright, buddy, you're gonna. Dude. Come on, man. Nothing to fucking go around me, dude. Oh my god, motherfucker. I'm gonna nudge him out of the way. Scooch! Dude, go around me. Go around. Oh, motherfucker. Fucker. Jesus Christ, what's your fucking problem, man? Arrgh! No faster way to piss me off than shitty drivers. They could have gone around. They could have backed up. There's no one behind them. But no. I thought, wow, I know being an asshole is a way better choice in this particular juncture.
On the next edition of Road Rage with Nathan Ryan, we'll put his crossbows to use while driving at 70 miles an hour.
I gotta curb my tires. Alright. 1% grade. There you go. A curb downhill, I think.
More or less. Oh yeah, the Windies.
No Wendy's.
And the Windies.